Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. How many bones are in the human body? (206). Which organ pumps blood? Heart. Which organ helps you breathe? Lung. Which body part lets you see? Eye. Which organ helps digest food? Stomach. Which part protects the brain? Skull. Which sense uses the nose? Smell. Which organ cleans blood? Kidney. How many lungs do humans have? Two. Which organ controls the body? Brain. Medium mode. Largest organ in the body. Skin. Smallest bone in the body. Stapes. Which blood cells fight infection? White blood cells. Which organ stores urine? Bladder. Normal human body temperature. (37°C). Which vitamin is made in sunlight? Vitamin D. Which muscle is involuntary? Heart. Which part connects muscles to bones? Tendon. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Which gas do humans exhale? Carbon dioxide. Hard mode. Largest internal organ. Liver. Which bone is longest? Femur. How many chambers in heart? Four. Which organ balances the body? Cerebellum. Which blood type is universal donor? O negative. Which part produces red blood cells? Bone marrow. Which organ filters toxins? Liver. Which nerve controls vision? Optic nerve. How many vertebrae in humans? (33). Which gland controls growth? Pituitary gland. Insane mode. Hardest substance in body. Tooth enamel. Which organ regenerates itself? Liver. Which nerve is the longest? Sciatic nerve. Which blood cells live the shortest? Platelets. Which organ has no pain receptors? Brain. Which muscle never rests? Heart. Which organ controls circadian rhythm? Pineal gland. Which bone protects lungs? Rib cage. Which body system includes glands? Endocrine system. Which organ produces bile? Liver. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.